Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be showing you guys how to do is how you can write a recommendation for somebody on LinkedIn. So let's get right into it. Recommendations are a useful tool, as they are for yourself, so they are for other people. There are ways to actually send indirect messages or endorsements to any potential employers of your friends, or for your friends to send recommendations of you to other employers, and that is a great way to expand your network and to actually secure a job or a career opportunity, just by having other people who you've worked with vouch for you, and just in general, let's say, assist you in some way. Now, first of all, to actually get a recommendation is a different process. I won't be covering it here, but the way you actually give a recommendation is the following. First of all, you need to be connected to somebody to actually send a recommendation. I am not connected to anybody, and I can't wait for anybody to accept my connection. However, if you want to send a recommendation of somebody, just go to their profile. I will use this guy as an example. Click on more, and when you click on more, if you're connected to them, you will have a write a recommendation option here. Just click on that, and then you'll have to input some info, such as their current your relationship with them in regards to work, and their current position or past positions. And after that, you can write a recommendation and just click send, and that is basically how you send a recommendation. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's been it for this video, and I'll see you guys in another one.